English learning is not hard.
It is simple and fun.
We learn new words now.
Listen for key phrases.
Type yes below, please. This party must be perfect.
Yes, it must be great.
I have many big ideas.
Budget is important, Chloe.
But we need a DJ.
A DJ costs too much.
What about a live band?
That is even more money.
Oh, I did not think.
We need a plan first.
Okay, a plan is good.
What about decorations?
So many balloons, Ben.
How many balloons exactly?
100, maybe 200?
That is too many balloons.
But it looks so grand.
We need a budget, Chloe.
You are right, I know.
Let us review the list.
My list is very long.
We can shorten it now.
I want a chocolate fountain.
That is a good idea.
Really? You like it?
Yes, chocolate is popular.
And a huge bouncy castle.
Chloe, this is a party.
For adults, I know.
No bouncy castle needed.
But it would be fun.
We must be practical now.
Okay, no bouncy castle.
Good. What is next here?
The guest list is huge.
How many people are coming?
My whole family is invited.
And your friends also?
Yes, all my friends.
This will be a big party.
It is my graduation.
Congratulations, Chloe.
Thank you, Ben, thank you.
Let us make it great.
I need your help, Ben.
I am here to help.
So, what is the plan?
First, finalize the guest count.
Then, send out invites.
Correct. Then, food and drinks.
And music for dancing.
We can use a playlist.
That is a good idea.
It saves us money too.
Smart thinking, Ben. Very smart.
Let us get started now.
I am ready for this. Now, let us practice speaking.
Are you ready to learn?
We must get going.
Yes, we must start.
What is the first step?
Let us check the budget.
Good idea, Ben. Very good.
How much can we spend?
I am not sure yet.
We need a clear number.
Okay, I will find it.
Then, the guest list.
How many people exactly?
We need a final count.
I will call my family.
And I will call caterers.
That sounds very efficient.
We must work together.
Yes, we are a team.
What about decorations now?
I like colorful balloons.
Balloons are always good.
And streamers, many streamers.
We can buy them online.
That saves time, good.
What food do we want?
Pizza is always popular.
Too casual for graduation.
Oh, you are right.
How about finger foods?
Mini sandwiches are good.
And some small desserts.
A chocolate fountain, Ben.
Yes, we agreed on that.
I am very excited.
What about the drinks?
Juice and sparkling water.
Good choices. Very simple.
And a toast, of course.
Yes, a celebratory toast.
Who will make the toast?
You should make the toast.
Me? I am nervous now.
You can do it, Chloe.
Okay, I will practice.
What about music plans?
My playlist is ready.
Excellent. That is perfect.
This party will be great.
Yes, it will be fun.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome, Chloe.
I appreciate your patience.
It is my job, really.
No, you are very kind.
We are almost finished now.
What is left to do?
Send out all invites
I will do that now.
and confirm the venue.
It is booked and ready.
Perfect. We are on track.
I am so happy, Ben.
Me too. This is good.
Let us celebrate soon.
Yes, after this party.
We learned what is the plan.
And let us get started.
The secret is consistency.
Practice a little every day.
Like this video. Subscribe.
Real English. Real communication.
See you in next video.
Bye for now, everyone.
English grammar is too difficult.
I do not believe that, teacher.
Many students feel it, Leo.
Learning can be very simple.
Today we learn present simple.
I am ready to learn now.
Pay close attention, please.
I will listen very carefully.
Type yes if you focus. The present simple is easy. We use it for habits. I always drink coffee daily. You always study your English. He often reads many books. She never sleeps in class. It often rains here daily. We usually eat lunch at noon. They sometimes play football now. This is for daily actions. Understand these simple rules? Leo, do you understand me? Leo, wake up right now.
Huh? What? I am awake.
You were sleeping in class.
I am truly sorry, teacher.
Sleeping is not for learning.
I did not mean to sleep.
This is your English lesson.
Yes, I know that now.
You missed important information.
I am so embarrassed right now.
Let us practice right now.
I am ready to try.
No more sleeping now, Leo.
I promise I will not.
What is the present simple?
It is for daily actions.
Give me an example, please.
I drink water every day.
Very good, that is correct.
Thank you. I'm trying.
What about he or she.
He drinks water every day.
Excellent. Add an S.
She drinks water every day.
This is very simple now.
Yes, I understand it well.
When do we use do not?
For negative sentences, teacher.
Give me a negative sentence.
I do not like coffee.
Perfect. What about he?
He does not like coffee.
You are learning quickly now.
I am paying attention now.
Good. This is very important.
I will remember this always.
Keep practicing every single day.
I will do that, teacher.
Do not sleep in class.
I will not again. Ever.
Remember, I drink water daily.
And he drinks water daily.
The secret is daily practice.
Never stop practicing English.
Subscribe for more English lessons.
Like this video right now.
Real English. Real communication.
English learning is not difficult.
I am very nervous always.
You can learn new things.
I do not think so.
We will learn together now.
I hope I can do it.
Type yes if you agree.
I will try my best.
Lily, try this new bead.
My hands are shaking a lot.
Do not be afraid. Just try.
I am mixing too fast.
It is okay. Slow down.
I do not understand this.
Listen to the rhythm first.
My mind is blank now.
Take a deep breath now.
I am so sorry, Beat.
Do not apologize. Learn from it.
I feel so embarrassed.
Everyone starts from zero.
This is very challenging.
You are doing great, really.
I need more practice.
Yes, practice makes it perfect.
I will try again soon.
Let us practice some phrases.
What should I say first?
Say, I can do this.
I can do this.
Good job. Keep going.
I will keep going.
Say, do not worry.
Do not worry.
Excellent. You are improving.
I feel a little better.
Say, I understand now.
I understand now.
Perfect. Say, let us try.
Let us try.
You are a fast learner.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Always here.
I feel less nervous now.
See? You are doing great.
I will remember these words.
Use them every single day.
I will do that, Beat.
Do not give up ever.
I will not give up.
You have great potential.
I will work hard, always.
That is the right attitude.
I am ready to learn.
Fantastic. Let us begin.
Okay, I am ready.
Repeat after me, please.
I will repeat after you.
I am confident now.
I am confident now.
I will succeed today.
I will succeed today.
You are doing very well.
I feel much stronger now.
That is what I wanted.
Thank you, Beat.
Remember, I can do this.
Yes, I can do this.
And do not worry.
Do not worry. Got it.
The secret is simple. Practice.
Practice makes perfect always.
Speak English every single day.
I will speak every day.
Subscribe for more lessons now.
I will subscribe right away.
Real English. Real communication.
Thank you, Fluent English for You.